Hi everyone, it's JoJo here, and I thought I would come on and show you my newest journal. It's an envelope journal. It's for the design team of Done by Dorothy, and it is Mountain Flowers is the name of the kit. I'll put the links down below. Um, I used a tie for my closure, if I can find the other end. And then the flowers were mountain flowers, and they were just so pretty and so nicely done. You open it up. Well, first I put a little tab in here because this is a little pocket. I put another one of her flower images. And on the inside, this was a postcard that was some of the ephemera. And I have made a little paper booklet. The booklet flips out like this. And then some of the ephemera, I tore it up and added it here just for a little bit of extra on the little cover. And then I used some of the same fabric that I made for the tie. I used that and tied into the paper clip. And here I used a piece of the page and I made a pocket with it. And Dorothy has these really cool calendars. You circle the day of the week, then you circle the date, and then over here you circle the month, and you can write a little note about what happened on that day. And this is one of the tags that was inside, and I added some more of that fabric. And then I wanted to have extra journaling spots, so I just put paper together inside and made it like a little notebook. And then here's another one of the postcards. And I added a postcard up here at the top. On the inside, here's the pocket, and I put a piece of her ephemera that is like a guest check. And this is the back covering for her pages. So I just put it here so it can be written on. And then here I put a tab. And here's another one of her pages. These are actually, her pages are like 2 pages together where you fold them in half. And instead of that, I printed them on cardstock, a creamy colored cardstock, and made them into journaling cards. And then here I just took and I used another one of her journaling pages that come in her kit. And then I took some scrap paper and I made it into like a little notebook for journaling and clipped it on with a paper clip. So it's just a little notebook. And then on this page, I took 2 of the like guest checks is what I call them. And I punched holes and made them into tags. And then I took one of her pages and made a pocket out of it. This is one of the journaling pages that I put on the back. Like I said, I printed those on cardstock just so that way they would help make the envelope a little bit stiffer. And then this was printed on cardstock as well. And then I used one of my punches to punch out a little design. And I've added another one of her calendars here. And I made a little flower out of a book page and added that there. And then here on the side is another pocket. This is another one of her pages. And I've just made that again into like a journaling card. And then this is another one of her pages. Like I said, they're cut in half. It's one full sheet. And it came with postcards, and I printed some extra. And then I used these to flip up. And this was considered a backside that comes with her kit to print. So you can print on the backside, so they're not plain. And I just cut it out and added it to the envelope. And then I used, this is actually from a white paper bag that I tea dyed or coffee dyed, and made it into a flip up. Then here is another one of the journaling pages. Then over here I just made this just to flip through of just scrap paper, so that way it could be written on and journaled. And this is from one of the guest checks that had the sunflower on it. I put it here as like a little text spot. And then here, this is another one of her journaling pages. Of course, it's just a simple paper clip with some fabric. And I put the word inspire, and it's fill someone with the urge or ability to do or feel something, especially to do something creative. And I cut out the little butterfly and added. And this is just a doily. And this is another little notebook, which I've sewn the pages. And I've added it here at near the back. And then here is another one of the pretty pages. And I've made it into a journaling card as well. And then this is the back page. That's one of her journaling pages. So if you're interested in the kit, you can get that on Etsy at Done by Dorothy. I'll leave the link below. I hope that you enjoyed my little envelope flip book. It was inspired by Angela Kerr. I really love watching her videos. She does some really amazing ones. So, yeah, if you're interested, Dorothy also has a group called Done by Dorothy. And I hope to see you there. Thank you. Bye-bye.